Asian tsunami has many memories about tragedy tsunami.
When is tsunami happened in Aceh?
Tsunami happened in Aceh on 26 December 2004. How long about the tragedy? A tragedy just a few minutes, but it might dissolve whole building.
Oh my God.
Oh, did you ever come to Suziamo?
No.
Please you come to Suziamo. There is many and there's also you can come to coffee also.
Yes.
Yeah. Get before come in Tsunami. This is free because
그대를
it's not paid,
바라볼
but
때면
we can come
모든 게 멈추죠.
Oh, Maggie. Of course, it's so very nice. This is of who dies when tragedy happens.
Oh,
Yeah, it's so many. And also, I think there is not. There is person do not dream. Are you tourist? Yes, I'm from Amsterdam. Oh, you're from Amsterdam. Where you come from? I'm from Indonesia, especially in Aceh.
Hi, I'm from China.
Chinese.
Yes. I especially in Tiongkok.
Interesting to meet you.
Nice to meet
Nice to meet you. Can we sit there to speak? Come on. Come on. We can meet here. So wonderful. How long you been here? You can visit, right? How long you been here?
I'm 3 days.
So what about you? How long you been? I hear that 5 days. Oh, 5 days?
Yes, have 5 days.
What wonderful on your country? Oh, in my country, Amsterdam, there has many place, good place. Yes, I like there. Someday I will go there. Okay, let's go with me. Of course, thank you. Oh, what's your hobby? My hobby is What song do you want? Whatever you want. I can sing in Chinese.
Are you
Do
sure?
you want to listen?
Of course.
Bunga jempa megah di Aceh.
Bunga jempa megah di Aceh. Yes, I can listen.
Oh, it's very nice.
That's right. Your voice is very nice. Thank you. How about you?
My hobby is reading.
Really? Are you sure? How many books have you?
I have some books on my iPhone. Then I always read it.
Do you know Jackie Chan?
Yes.
Yes. Have you ever met him?
No.
No. I so
Maybe
friends with him.
he's so busy. He's so busy.
So handsome, right?
That's right.
Oh, my hobby is watching the drama. Drama? What drama do you like? I like Korean drama. Of course. What artist? Korean artist? Of course. What K-pop? K-pop.
Hi, hello. We are Spanish girl. We are traveling to Sumatra, yeah, for holidays. We have been here for 2 weeks, and now we are going to take a flight to Medan, yeah, to spend our last 2 days there, and we go back. And we come back to Spain. So our habit, yeah, traveling, of course, yeah. Photography, reading, cooking, and speak of things, I think, yeah, ladies. No. We don't have a very good voice. Sorry about that. Not possible. It's for you, not for us. Singing. Yeah, it's another sweet song. No, we're not going to sing. Sorry about that. It should be enough with the video. Okay.
Wow. So interesting is that right, that's right. And so beautiful girl. And so friendly. Friendly. It's a friendly. Oh, keep going there. I think it's enough. Yes, for around the museum, right? We have met any tourists. Yes, from countries, German, and also from China. I think that's all about our video today.